Optional permanent magnet chuck for tapping machine. First, install the tapping machine base on the suction cup. 4 screws are magnetically locked. Remove the optical axis cover. Adjust the height of the positioning ring as required. Tighten the positioning ring screw. Put the tapping machine into the optical axis of the foot base. Align the bottom against the positioning ring. Tighten the shaft cover. Finally, check the front and rear of the machine in turn. Left-right flexibility. After inspection, the machine is installed. When the threaded hole position exceeds the working stroke, stabilize the machine by hand. Release the suction wrench. This allows the machine to move back and forth. Easier to realize tapping. Optional suction cup is suitable for tapping large workpieces. Can be moved anytime. More convenient.